Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for Wednesday, the 4th of September. And we're keeping an eye on heat and wind redeveloping across southeastern parts of the country. But out in the west, it's a different story with a very cold day on the way, especially for southern parts of Western Australia. Let's first start by having a look at what we're expecting into Wednesday night. And on the synoptic map, we can see a surface trough moving through the Bight. And that's doing two things. First, it's dragging a lot of heat from the interior and down across the southeast of the country, but it's also causing winds to ramp up yet again. And so we do have severe weather warnings current for damaging winds. They cover parts of Victoria and southeast New South Wales. At this stage, we're not expecting winds to be as strong as the last few days, but do keep across the warnings and check out our dedicated severe weather video update, and that's available on our social media channels. Into Wednesday night, we'll see showers easing for a short period across southwest WA. With these two systems coming up from the south, we'll see showers re-intensifying to Thursday, and it will be a very cold day on the way. You can see that cold front pushing through the southwest of the state with local hail, and there is a possibility of snow flurries about the Stirling Ranges in the far south of the state. Across the east, showers for South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania. And this high pressure system in the Tasman Sea has been quite slow moving, so not much change across the east coast, but temperatures will start to rise across eastern parts of New South Wales. Showers for the rest of the Queensland coast, otherwise remaining dry and quite warm. So a state by state look, starting off with Queensland. There's a chance of morning fog and frost about the Granite Belt, and after a cool day on Wednesday, starting to heat up across southeastern parts of the state, 25 degrees in Brisbane. We'll still see showers across parts of the coast, particularly up towards Cairns. In New South Wales, the chance of morning fog and frost about the tablelands, but it will be a milder night and quite a bit warmer during the day, especially along the coast. 29 degrees for Wollongong, 29 in Sydney, and it will be quite windy across the southeast, and so we do have high fire dangers for the Illawarra for Thursday. In Victoria, showers will build through the day, a little bit cooler across the south, 22 in Melbourne, but in the north, away from the cloud and showers, it will be quite warm and windy, 33 degrees in Mildura. Those northerly winds across Victoria will start to ease during Thursday afternoon and evening, but they will ramp up again into Friday. In Tasmania, we still have minor flood warnings current for parts of the state, and showers will redevelop across the west and the north. Quite mild in Hobart, 20 degrees, a little bit cooler further north under those showers. But it will be quite a warm to hot day across South Australia, especially across the Eyre Peninsula with maximum temperatures up to 16 degrees above the September average, a warmer 27 in Adelaide, and getting quite hot in Cooper Pedy, 37 degrees. A few showers about the south coast, but not expecting too much in the way of rainfall totals. In the west, Perth will actually be our coldest capital city tomorrow, just 16 degrees with showers and hail, and also some very brisk winds about the south coast. Those colder southerly winds will also push all the way up into the Gascoyne and also up into the Pilbara. Elsewhere, it will be quite warm and remaining dry. Finally, across northern Australia, not much change the last few days, just a few showers about the top end, a warm day in Darwin, 34 degrees. Elsewhere though, warm to hot. So that's your forecast for today. Keep across the latest information and warnings on the Bureau's website and our social media channels, and we'll see you next time.